Good morning, children. I hope you're having a good day. Are you ready for today's lesson? Let's begin. The unit 4 is Mauna Loa. Please open your book to page 48. And now to read the email Lenny sent to her friend Jane about the volcano Mauna Loa. Pay close attention to the words in yellow. Pause the video and read. Now, take a look at the 4 images of page 49. Read the descriptions below to discover how the Hawaii Islands were formed from volcanoes. Next, go to the page 50. Here, and work on exercises A, B, and C. Did you read the email carefully? Okay, are you ready? Let's check the homework. The correct answers are Sentence 1, B, how volcano rocks form. Sentence 2, C, 9,000 meters. Sentence 3, A, basalt. Sentence 4 is letter C, roaring. I'm sure you got all of them right. The exercise B, you can go back to the email to answer. You have to put the images in the correct order. Pause the video and write. Are you ready? Okay, let's check the answers. The letter A is number 5. The letter B is number 1. The letter C is number 3. The letter D is number 4. And the letter E is number 2. Okay, now write the sentences in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next page is 51. Vocabulary review. Massive, countless, contains, several, eventually, bend, for, active. Okay, the sentence number 1. The mountain is massive. Number 2. The bus is late, but eventually it's going to be here. Number 3. There are countless stars in the sky tonight. Number 4. The lunchbox contains enough food for the both of us. Number 5. Let's all hold hands and form a line. Number 6. The fishing pole will bend if a fish is on the line. Number 7. The zoo has several different kinds of animals. Number 8. The volcano is very active and erupts a lot. Good job, everyone. That's it for today's lesson. See you next class. Bye-bye.